Hello my friends, and welcome back to the channel. So today I am on my way to the post office. This is crazy. March 7th 2022. It's 8 a.m. in the morning and it's right about 60 degrees. This is kind of awesome. So I am going to stop at the post office, and then after the post office, my man, the Blue Bike and Doyle, about a month ago threw out a challenge to go to Roadside America, Roadside Attractions, whatever that is, and go visit some of these attractions on Roadside America. I just happen to have two of these attractions fairly close to me, and I actually got more than two close to me. But I have done a video prior to this on a couple of roadside attractions I've stopped at, and I'll post that right up here. So let's roll that intro and we'll kick it off. So yesterday, Sunday, March 6th, it was, man, damn near close to 70 degrees in my area of the world. And unfortunately, it was wet, it was raining, and until it dried out in the afternoon, I had other things to do. So I wasn't able to take advantage of it. So I figured, I have a little time this morning, I might as well take advantage of the warmth and get out on the bike and enjoy it for a little while. Get out for about an hour or so. Guess I should turn that down so I don't get copyrighted, huh? So here we are. Like I said, we're gonna stop at the post office. I gotta mail some stuff out. As long as this guy don't fucking hit me. Got there some stuff in the mail. And check my mailbox. Say, I didn't notice I got one of these Ulanzi quick release mounts. So my shit don't get stolen. Alright guys, so the first roadside attraction we got is gonna be right here. The Colonial Theater. This was in the 1950s movie The Blob, and I don't know if anybody's seen the movie, but everybody ran screaming out of the front of this movie theater. So every year, pre-COVID of course, they reenact that, and they have what's known in my town as Blobfest. So they'll reenact it, and people will dress up in time period 1950s clothing, do their hair up and do all that stuff, and they'll reenact the running out of the movie theater screaming and yelling because there's a blob in there. So that is the first roadside attraction. So I mean, I never think about it being a roadside attraction because I've lived here for so long, and you know, I just kind of take it for granted. That's a pretty cool bench. Little hand holding you up. So I've actually only been in that movie theater one time, and that was many years ago. We went and we saw a movie in there, and that was actually before the renovations, because they did renovate the movie theater since I've been in there last time. And they have actually not just movies in there now. They actually, you know, have comedians come in and do shows in there. And I forget, it was somebody who wasn't huge, but he wasn't a small comedian, and he came in there and did. I forget exactly who it was. But yeah, so I haven't been in there in a while. You know, we talk about maybe going to something, but we haven't yet. Maybe in the future. I can't believe it's March and I'm sitting here in just a sweatshirt. This is insane. I mean, don't get me wrong. I'll take this every day of the week. But, man. I think they say it's going to get colder the rest of the week. We're supposed to get some storms tonight coming through. Oh, we got some flashing lights up here. We got some police activity. Yeah, so I ordered that a couple months ago. And it's funny because the video I did last month or whatever it was, January, when I stopped at the post office and I had to unscrew these to take off the GoPro and everything else. I had already had this at home. I just didn't put it on yet. And after the video came out, my man Chopper Fett, he messaged me and told me to get me one of these. And I was like, oh, I already got one, bro. I just didn't put it on yet. So, Chopper Fett, man, it's working out good, buddy. Can you see him? Big guy standing over there with his hand out, looking like he wants a handout. Guy right here. No parking, but I'm gonna park here anyway. Alright, this guy. Alright. So this guy right here is the Happy Half-Wit Muffler Man. A half-wit muffler man. He was originally in Seaside Heights, New Jersey, but was damaged in Superstorm Sandy and taken down. And he stood in New Jersey, you know, until the storm took him down. And after that happened, he was sold, refurbished, and brought here to Oaks, Pennsylvania. Now the place he stands in front of is, I'll go back around and I'll show you. This whole building right here. Is a part of Arnold's Family Fun Center. Now they have go-karts. The big thing was go-karts. They started with go-karts. They have laser tag. You can have parties here. They have pool room, I guess, an arcade. They have food. And they added bowling. So you can go bowling here and you can go race go-karts. I've been here a number of times with my son when he would go to birthday parties for kids he knew, stuff like that. So, the Happy Half-Wit Muffler Man. I didn't even take a picture. Damn it. I hate not taking pictures. I guess I'll go back over here and take a picture with the Happy Half-Wit Muffler Man and his buddy the giraffe. Got the phone out and didn't even take a picture. Guess maybe I should take a picture of the bike, prove I was out. So I never do that. Alright, my friends, that concludes the roadside attractions for today. Now, there will be more coming up, but for today, that's it. You got two right in my area. So until next time, my friends, y'all stay safe. Y'all love one another. Peace.